Recently Huawei began to roll out a new software update for Huawei Nova 3i, which brings new smart features such as Huawei Assistant and Smart Charge. Under the latest development, now Huawei Nova 3 is also receiving a new update that installs the latest security patches released in June. However, no other smart features mentioned in the changelog. June 2020 security update for Huawei Nova 3 comes with MSI 9.1 version 9.1.0.384 upgrading from MSI 9.1.0.380. The update size is 217 megabytes.